Regeneration. The DPF, as you know, helps in trapping the particulate matter in the microscopic channels within the DPF. As soot gathers in the system, it begins to restrict the filter and the downstream pressure drastically reduces. So, periodically you need to clean the soot to keep the filter functional by burning the soot. This process is known as regeneration. The DPF performs the regeneration automatically when the engine maintains an optimum temperature. This temperature is achieved when the vehicle is at constant speed for a fixed duration. During this, the ECU flashes regen light on the dashboard to alert the driver that the regeneration is in progress. EMS controls the temperature buildup mainly through post-injection, or by triggering the intake throttle valve, or by triggering exhaust throttle valve, in circumstances such as the vehicle is subject to frequent stopovers due to heavy traffic, or short-distance trips, or continuous driving at low engine load, or continuous running at idling speed, then regeneration is not initiated automatically. This can lead to increase in the soot buildup in short time, as the automatic soot burning due to optimum rise in temperature does not occur. In these cases, it may be necessary to start regeneration manually. As the soot accumulation level reaches 80%, the driver is notified by amber color on instrument cluster. Note: it is mandatory to perform the parked regeneration as soon as possible, as otherwise it will cause irreparable damage to the EATS system. In case the driver ignores the warning, then as soon as the soot level crosses 90%, the driver is notified by the regeneration and engine warning lights on instrument cluster. This will limit power to prevent any damage to the engine or exhaust systems. Note: it is mandatory to perform the parked regeneration as soon as possible, otherwise truck will enter a torque reduction mode and it will cause irreparable damage to the EATS system. In case the driver ignores the warning, then as soon as the soot level reaches 95%, the driver is notified by the message. To summarize, we have 3 levels of warning for the DPF soot loading. We need to ensure that the driver performs the parked regeneration at 80% itself, so that there is no further torque limitation or damages to the EATS system. If the soot loading is 95%, then the driver cannot perform parked regeneration and the vehicle has to be taken to the workshop for the necessary inspection and cleaning of the DPF. Parked regeneration. Whenever the regeneration required text is displayed on the instrument cluster, you are supposed to perform park regeneration. Before starting the park regeneration, please ensure that the truck is parked on a flat surface away from any inflammable substance. Sufficient ventilation around the truck. Parking brake is applied. Engine is running at idle. Coolant temperature above 80 degrees Celsius. To ensure better performance during regeneration, please raise the engine RPM for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, so that sufficient temperature is built up in the EATS system. Accelerator, brake and clutch pedals are released. To start parked regeneration, press the regeneration switch on dashboard for 5 seconds. There is slightly increase in idle RPM, regeneration light turns green, and message is displayed: regeneration is in process, which indicates the parked regeneration is started. Regeneration takes approximately 25 to 40 minutes. It will continue to regeneration until the soot level reaches low. Regeneration is complete when the engine speed drops and the symbol goes out. If the manual regeneration is interrupted, then the cause is shown in the driver information display. Once the parked regeneration is complete, ideally the soot level in the DPF will be reduced. The gauge shows the amount of soot in the diesel particulate filter. It is recommended to complete this process without any interruption, but it can be interrupted at any time by tampering any of the prerequisite conditions like pressing the pedal or disengaging the parking brake. DPF ash accumulation. During regeneration, soot and organic materials accumulated in the DPF are oxidized. The unburnt inorganic materials that remains inside the DPF as ceramic ash. Over a period of time, and in different operating conditions, this ash accumulates and occupies a considerable volume in the DPF. thereby exerts a back pressure on the engine. Hence, it is imperative that the clogged DPF has to be replaced or cleaned by external methods. Always replace the gasket whenever the DPF unit is removed for any inspection purpose.